Hey guys, this is Happy Rider giving you the top 5 coolest and fun LED gadgets for any Mercedes-Benz owner. Coming in at number 5 is the wireless corridor LED laser projection logo light. Initially, this was not one of my pick due to it being a separate and standalone piece, meaning this does not replace your old door light, but instead it sticks onto the side of your door and requires 3 AA batteries. It will automatically power on as soon as the door is open. I picked this as number 5 because in addition to the Mercedes-Benz logo, you have many other designs to pick from. And on the bright side, it is only $12.99 for 2 pieces. Number 4 is somewhat similar to our previous pick, as you may already notice. However, this one actually replaces our original side door light, fits right into the original slot, and uses power directly from our car. I also happen to like the design of this LED projector better than the previous pick. At number 3, we have the Mercedes LED cup pad that lights up beautifully at nights. Comes in various different colors of our choice. The great benefit of this is it fits all Mercedes-Benz cup holder. It is rechargeable using a micro USB cable. It is also waterproof and will automatically shut off once the door comes to a complete stop for 20 seconds. Number 2 is the waterproof LED wheel hub center caps cover. Made of strong aluminum alloy, this center cover looks extremely cool and does not require any type of battery to work. It automatically powers on once the vehicle starts to move and are compatible with all Mercedes-Benz model thanks to its universal fit and magnetic technology. Coming in at number 1 is the Mercedes-Benz LED Emblem logo badge light. Add a personal touch with this add-on that comes with 7 different colors that can be controlled using your key fob. These lights are made by an OE approved and ISO certified to meet or exceed our standards. Alright guys, so that is my take on the top 5 pick of the coolest Mercedes-Benz LED accessories. Tell me what are your thoughts below and what you would like to see next. Again, thanks everyone for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.